Hello friends, welcome to Morning Do Kids channel. Let's learn to read with me. Please repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's start. Construction Vehicles Series Number 2. Grader. 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 Backhoe. 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 Loader. 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 Tractor. 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 Jackhammer. 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 Mixer truck. Mixer truck. Mixer truck. Mixer truck. Wow, you are great and smart. Thank you for learning with me. And also thank you for your liked and subscribed to this channel. See you again in other videos.